Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, we were doing map skill and we have already done the two maps of the 13th chapter. And here we have the introduction of history section. The chapter is about the Harsha's time period and the Rajputs. Here we have the time period from 800 AD to 1200 AD. In this map, we are having the Tomars, Chauhans, Solankis, Gujjar Pratiharas. Some of the dynasties we were not having in our textbook, but you have to do whatever in this map. The Pratiharas about the Kannauj area, the Chandelas, Rajputas, Palas, Hoyslas, Cholas and Pandyas, and here is a map summary also. The term Rajput comes from Rajputra meaning son of king, and the period between the death of Harsha in 647 AD and Muslim conquest of India in 1206 AD is known as Rajput period of Indian history. There were some main dynasties which was established during the Harshas or after the Harsha's death. There was Pratiharas of Kannauj, Chauhans of Ajmer and Delhi. You have to locate all in the map. Chandelas of Bundelkhand, Palas of Bengal, Solankis of Gujarat, the Rathors of Kannauj, Parmaras of Malwa, Sisodias of Mewar, the Senas of Bengal. These are the different dynasties you have to locate here. The Pratiharas, Parmaras, these 9 dynasties are there. On an outline map of India, locate the following dynasties. You can take help from the previous page number 38 here. All the dynasties and rest which is not mentioned here, I have already mentioned here. Mewar, the Sisodias belongs to Mewar. Mewar is in the southern part of Rajasthan. Ajmer also in Rajasthan. Alright, you have to mention the Chauhans of Ajmer and Delhi. Similarly, we were having the Pratiharas of Kannauj. Even the Rathors also, we can say that it was also belongs to Kannauj area. The Chandelas of Bundelkhand. Whatever is not mentioned, I have already mentioned here. And then the Palas of Bengal. Palas, the Bengal area. Solankis is there, but I have mentioned here state. Rathors, I have already mentioned here. Parmaras of Malwa. Parmaras I have mentioned here, and the Malwa. You take help from this map and you have to complete this one map here only. And those who are not having map skill book, they can photostate these pages and they can do also. And next we have the Sisodias of Mewar. So I have mentioned here the southern part of Rajasthan. And the last, the Senas of Bengal. Here also one we have the Senas also. So all these you have to mention here. And this map you have to complete this. Next you have the South India in the 11th century. This one also you have to do. Different dynasties we were having in medieval period, the Cheras, Chalukyas, Chola, Yadavas, Pandyas and Kakatiyas. We all have done these. You have to mention all these dynasties in book only. Yadavas, Chalukyas, Kakatiyas, the southern part, we can say that is the central part or the northern part of Telangana. Chalukyas, Maharashtra, Cholas here, Andhra Pradesh, Cheras here, Karnataka, little bit somewhere it is also in Kerala also, Madurai, it is belongs to the Tamil Nadu area. All these you have to mention here in this book, in this map. Mahabalipuram, where is Mahabalipuram? You have to locate here, Mahabalipuram. Then next we have Chalukyas. The Chalukyas where you can mention, Chalukyas you can mention here, Cholas you can mention here, Yadavas you can mention here, just here in Maharashtra area. And the Pandyas, where you have to locate, the Pandyas in southern tip of the India, and Kakatiyas, simply we can say that the upper part or the northern part of Telangana. All these you have to locate in this map. And next you have, dear students, page number 35 of GK book. This is very important page which you have to do in the history of the world, dates and events. The occurrence of the different events have their own importance. They happen and people remember them forever. Read some such events given and write the year in which they occurred. You can take the help of the help box. You are having the help box. You can take help from this help box. The first we have India adopted the constitution. India adopted the constitution. You can take help from here, and it was 26 November 1949. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. He was assassinated on 30th January 1948. USA dropped atom bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That was on 6 and 9 August 1945. India's spacecraft reached the Mars orbit. That was 24 September 2014. Collapse of the World Trade Center, 11 September 2001. World War first began on 28 July 1914. Bangladesh got independence 26 March 1971. And Kalpana Chawla died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster 1st January 2003. All these you have to learn. This is very important. Alright, and rest other previous 2 pages also you have to learn. I'll ask in coming CT. Clear? Alright, thank you.